Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by preparing both accounts. Sign into Outlook and enable POP or IMAP under sync settings so Gmail can fetch messages. This is the single most important prerequisite. If you use two-step verification, generate an app password and copy it. Make sure you have it ready because Gmail will need it when you add the account. Also jot down server details: PopMail, Outlook, COM port 995 with SSL or IMAP mail, Outlook, COM port 993 with SSL so you avoid guesswork in the next step. Once done with preparation, open Gmail settings, go to Accounts and Import, and choose Add a Mail account. You'll enter your Outlook address and select Import via POP3, then type the app password or account password and set server to PopMail. Outlook, COM with port 995 and SSL checked. Make sure to pick a label for incoming messages so you can spot them, decide whether to leave a copy on the Outlook server, and confirm. Gmail will validate the connection and begin fetching mails immediately once those details are correct. Finish by adding Outlook under Send Mail, as in Gmail if you want outgoing messages to appear from your Outlook address. Use SMTP Mail. Outlook, COM on port 587 with TLS and authenticate with your Outlook credentials or app password. Send a test message and verify that new incoming emails arrive with the chosen label. If synchronization stalls, switch to IMAP for real-time sync or tweak filters. Troubleshooting tip: if Gmail can't connect, double-check you enabled POP/IMAP, used an app password if required, and confirm the server ports and SSL/TLS settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.